After years of continuous hard work and a cost of $10 billion, the world's most powerful telescope was prepared, which was launched on its journey on the 28th of September 2021. Almost 6 months later, this telescope has started revealing the secrets of the universe that were only imagined before. Yes, we are talking about the James Webb Space Telescope, and today we will learn about the photos that James Webb captured and sent to NASA. What message are these photos giving us, and how important is it for us to understand all of this? Once again, welcome to Discover TV Videos. At this time, the James Webb Space Telescope is located 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth. It is continuously orbiting Earth's to a point where sunlight cannot reach the telescope. That's why keeping it away from sunlight and heat is extremely important. The James Webb Space Telescope is observing our universe in the spectrum of infrared light. That is why keeping it cool is essential. Millions and billions of years ago, what exactly happened in our universe? How did different stars, planets, and galaxies come into being? This telescope has the capability to rewind time and see it. Not only that, but James Webb can also observe and record the scene of stars that exploded and vanished in the past. Now the biggest question is, how does James Webb see into the past, and what is it that makes it more powerful than the Hubble telescope? To find the answer to this question, you will have to watch this video by Discover TV, in which everything is explained in detail. For your convenience, the link to this video is also provided in the description box. Now let's learn about the photos that James Webb has captured in the past 6 months. On July 12th, NASA released the first 5 pictures taken by James Webb, stunning the entire world. The cameras on James Webb can easily see into deep space and the nearby universe. In the first image received by NASA, an electric cluster can be seen, named SMACS07-3. The glowing star-like objects you see in this photo are not actual stars, but entire galaxies. Just like Earth is part of the Milky Way galaxy, which spans 100,000 light-years, this image shows thousands of such galaxies. Some of these collections are located 13.1 billion light-years away from Earth. The light from these galaxies took about 13 billion years to reach us. That's why it's not wrong to say that the scene we are seeing today actually occurred 13 billion years ago. The bluish galaxies seen in this photo indicate that they are very mature and have many stars and planets within them. The galaxies appearing red in the photo indicate a lot of dust, meaning new stars are still forming within them. Number 2. The second photo is of a stellar nursery located 7,600 light-years away from Earth. Known as the Carina Nebula, this nursery contains stars that were born around 7,600 years ago. The Carina Nebula is just one of thousands of nurseries in our Milky Way. The large mountain-like structures you see here are actually a massive mixture of dust and gases. The size of these gas clouds spans up to 7 light-years. The denser regions of gas are the places where new stars are being born. The birth of these stars is a mesmerizing scene made visible to us thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope. Number 3. The next photo is of a star that exploded and disintegrated 2,500 years ago. It was captured using 2 different instruments on board NIRCam and MIRI. In this image, a massive burst of gas and energy can be seen, created by the star's explosion. Number 4. This is the largest image captured by James Webb so far, with a resolution of around 150 million pixels. This image shows a cluster of 5 galaxies known as stephans quintet. These galaxies are rotating at very high speeds and slowly drawing closer to each other. Astronomers believe that a time will come when these 5 galaxies will collide with one another. Currently, this scene is 300 million light-years away from Earth, meaning this image is 300 million years old. It is also possible that these galaxies have already collided, but their light will take 300 million years to reach us. Number 5, located 1,120 light-years away from Earth, James Webb has also discovered an exoplanet where signs of life might exist. Exoplanets are planets that orbit a star or sun. This planet has been named WASP-96b, and one day on it equals 3.5 Earth days. Now the question arises, how did James Webb discover that signs of life may exist there? Actually, during its orbit, when the planet blocks the light of its star, the light passes through the planet's atmosphere and scatters. Depending on the particles in the atmosphere, the scattering behaves differently. For instance, if the atmosphere has more sulfur, the scattering pattern is different. If it contains carbon dioxide or water, the pattern changes. When the light scattered through the atmosphere of WASP-96b was analyzed, it was found that this planet has a significant amount of water, and we all know how important water is for life. The James Webb Space Telescope is the most advanced telescope ever made by humans. It can even see those corners of the universe where the Hubble telescope couldn't. The biggest reason behind this is its cold mirrors, which can catch even the faintest light. James Webb's gold-coated mirror is 6.5 meters in size, whereas Hubble's mirror diameter is only 2.5 meters. That's why James Webb can even observe the Big Bang that happened 14 billion years ago, which is believed to have created our entire universe. What was once only imagined, James Webb can now see in reality. Hopefully, in the coming months or years, NASA will definitely publish this information. But for now, that's all. We hope you like and share this Discover TV video. Thank you very much for your loving comments. See you in the next amazing video.